Welcome to my channel about embedded systems and fischertechnik robotics. This video is focused on my driving robot Mydfir with active sonar, color recognition and line following. The color recognition is more or less out of the question, and I have some problems with sonar, although it does work given the software results. But there's also another thing that I realized, and that is that line following also depends on brightness and colors. Well, line is black, and you can see that right here, a nice black line. But how much difference does it make when you find out that this part is white and that part, the white part, is quite dirty. So this is clean white, that is clean white, that part is clean white, and that one is rather dirty. Does it make a difference? I don't know, but I want to find out. So in order to do that with changes to the software, I go to screencast. And then this is take number 6 or 7. And the first take went wrong because of audio. I don't want to give you that version. Anyway, this is obviously screencast, and with the coder, with the diagnostics interface, which proved its value once again. And I will show you why. Open the interface, and I select this one, and then very simple. All right, going back, yes, no, go back. This proves hard enough. Okay, so where do we stand? Making a run, and then I get these ridiculous values, and it loses the line. And every time you do this, you see some other results. Totally losing it. So in the first take, everything went well, except for the audio. And now I get this. So I quit and I start again. And it loses the line. It doesn't correct itself, which is too bad. And there it goes again with normal values. Okay, let's keep it to that. But the main problem is that I want to get rid of this slightly left. I don't care. It is the top sonar that I have connected. And what I still need to test, and that went wrong last time, is that this one was not marked. So right now I should be able to get some values. However, I don't. Oh, and by the way, which I also haven't mentioned now in this take, is that I was forced to use SSH again because also version on another computer where I can't record screencast very good. Anyway, apart from that, I have editing to do in the software, that is, and see where that leads to. And ending the video with colors and finding that the color calibration is not quite as it should be. So knowing what colors are, knowing how to deal with values, and then realizing that some wiring may not be correct or corroded or whatever, that's a nice thing for next time. So for now, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification. Consider supporting my channel via Patreon, Ko-fi or by PayPal. Please see under this video for more information. Also, please check my website. All my projects are there. This one is going to be continued, obviously. So have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye, and thanks for my current supporters who are listed on my website. Bye.